My video is about removing the scary pop-ups that are coming from the site Lookool.click. So this site Lookool.click is absolutely faulty. It actually claims to be related to the well-known security application, but in reality these pop-ups by Lookool.click are totally fake and you should not trust their deceptive content. Don't tolerate these deceptive pop-ups. They could be the result of some adware currently enabled in your computer. So if you see these pop-ups by Lookool.click, my recommendation is that you do not trust the deceptive content of these pop-ups. They could be the result of some adware enabled in your computer, and we recommend that you investigate your system with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.